In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to print from your MacBook to your EPSON printer. So you need to firstly go into your MacBook, and I'm currently on Pages right here, as you can see. But you can use anything else like Microsoft Word, or if you want to be able to print an email or whatever. But the only thing that you need to do is to firstly swipe like this until you get to File in the top left corner here, as you can see, File, and then scroll down and click on Print right here. So now you need to select the printer. So click right here. And you can also click on Add Printer if you haven't yet added it, of course. And you will be able to see your printers right here that is also connected to the same Wi-Fi, just so you know. But I'm just going to select this one right here and then click on Add, of course. Then continue, and now we're just going to wait for it to set up. As you can see, it's going to take us a couple of seconds to set it up if it's the first time you're doing it, obviously. So we're just going to wait, and as you can see, it's now up here now. So now I can also change if I want PDF, for example, or any other files here as an example. I think I should be able to change it here actually, yep. And I'm just going to click on print now because now I'm done. So I'm just going to click on print. And now we are zooming in into my printer here. Should start working now. Let's see, I'm just going to take it. It fell to the floor, sorry guys. And yeah, you can see this. I'm just going to focus on it right now. Let's see if we can actually focus. Yep, here it is. I wrote hi, as you can see, and it's the exact same that was on my computer or on my MacBook. And this is exactly how to do this.